I was paid $24,000 a month for 10 years as a nutritionist, yet people still don't believe me when I say this. Pomegranate seeds work wonders to naturally enhance your jug size and even make them perkier. It's like a secret boost of confidence. Dates work amazing for shedding excess water weight and reducing puffiness in your face, giving you a naturally sculpted look. Homemade lemon balm is a lot more effective than Ozempic for weight management and metabolism support. If you want an effective lemon balm recipe, drop lemon balm in the comments and I'll send it your way. Watermelon is your skin's best friend. Packed with antioxidants, it flushes out toxins and leaves your skin glowing, clear, and absolutely radiant. Did you know 30% of Americans catch a cold during winter? Here's my go-to remedy for staying healthy and fighting off the harsh weather. Hey Girl Feel Better Tea. It's a fan favorite on Amazon. Drinking just 1 cup a day gives your immune system the boost it needs to fight off colds and viral infections. Trust me, it's a game changer. If you want more easy and effective health tips, comment more, and I'll keep sharing the good stuff.